Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download US Census data with the Census API, full guide step by step clearly. To download US Census data using the Census API, start by visiting the Census Bureau's website. Locate the section dedicated to the Census API. Create an account if you don't already have one. After signing in, navigate to the API documentation. Familiarize yourself with the different endpoints available. Determine which dataset you are interested in. Note the specific variables you want to extract from that dataset. Generate your API key in your account settings. Once you have your key, open a web browser. Use the API endpoint format to construct your request URL. Insert your API key into the URL structure. For example, the format typically looks like this: base URL plus your dataset in variables plus your API key. Run the constructed URL in your web browser. This will return a JSON file containing your requested data. If needed, install a JSON viewer to simplify data interpretation. For larger datasets, consider using a programming language like Python or R. Use libraries such as requests in Python or HTTRNR for easier data fetching. Be mindful of the data limits imposed by the API. In case of errors or issues, refer back to the documentation for troubleshooting tips. After successfully downloading your data, analyze it according to your research needs. Remember to always cite the Census Bureau as your data source. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.